So hello and welcome back, and today I want to show you how to remove the injectors from the Ford Focus MK4 1.5 EcoBlue engine. So the new one from 2018 and upwards, and it's a little bit complicated than it used to be on the older engine. Now you need to remove this cover before you can access anything. And yeah, so you should start with taking these out of the injectors, because it's gonna be in your way. And after that there is 1, 2, 3, this one as well, 4, 5, 6, I'm not really sure, 7, 8, 9 bolts that you need to take out so you can remove the cover. After that it's pretty much easy. Let me remove few stuff and then we continue. So most easy way to take off these things is just to click it up like this. So I don't know if you're gonna see, it's basically just click up. Try to be gentle, you don't want to break anything, because anything here costs some money. So basically, I don't know how far you need to take out, let's see. Maybe all the way. No, just that. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and 4th go out. So those 4. And here you should kinda, there is some green push button on this side, so you wanna push that back like this. Once you push it back, you can pull out. But for this video I don't need to remove that. So yeah, let's remove the bolts that holding the cover, and then we continue with the rest. So once you did unscrew all the bolts, it should be fairly easy just to put it up. If I missed a few, I didn't miss anything, just need to unplug it all the way. So once you unscrew everything, it's fairly easy, just take it out like this. And so after that you can really access everything that is holding the injectors together. So these, I believe it's 14, should be 14, usually was always 14, but no, might be now 15, 16, or even 17. Yeah, it's on 17. So you need to take these out, unscrew them, and then so after you took them out, you just unscrew them all the way out and pull. So should be not that hard, to take it out. So like this. Same goes on here, you just unscrew them all the way, and then you should just pull it. If it's harder for you to pull, you can unscrew always this and take it out. So, but should be able to just take this out. So let's continue. So for these screws that is holding the injectors, you use this tool, so E12, and it's used just to unscrew these. So best way to use that. After that should be pretty much easy. I will just unscrew those and then we continue. So after you unscrew all these, just take the plugs out, and this should come out easily. So like that. You have always to be careful, you don't want anything to end up in your engine, because that would be really bad. And now the biggest point is can you turn the injectors around? If you can turn, it's really good. If you cannot, you have a big problem. So let me try to turn them, and then we see if I have a problem or not. So as you can see, I was kind of lucky with these to take them out. These three went really easy, and this I need a little bit work more. It's kind of, it did turn, but it's kind of, yeah. Let me focus a little bit on this one, because I did use I believe it was 16, yeah. So when you put it here, it does turn. Here just a little bit lack of space. So let me try to take this one out. So maybe a little bit more space now here. Yeah, it will turn. You just need a little bit convincing. Let me convince it to get out. So did manage to convince it to come out. So that's the way to go. So once you take these out, process is fairly easy to just put new ones back, or if you want to check these, so you just push them back, use the holders to keep it in place, put the lines back, and yeah, put the cover back. So that's basically what you need to do if you want to change. Not really sure why, but these are the third or fourth that I was requested, so might be for the fueling, might be they are kind of bad. I'm not really sure, don't want to say anything right now, or might just be the high mileage cars that have a little bit of problem after some time. So I hope this will help you, and if you want to help me and grow the channel, be free to subscribe, like, share. It will help me grow the channel, and I'm gonna try keep up with all the things that I can make videos and stuff that I know and stuff that I will learn in next few years or whatever with Ford cars, new Focus, new Fiesta, Puma, stuff like that. So anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow, and see you guys next one. So till next one, see ya.